Which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the shortest time? Answer is option A, Khilji dynasty. Friends, if you understand in detail, the longest ruling dynasty was the Tughlaq dynasty, which ruled for about 94 years. Among the sultans of the Delhi Sultanate, the longest ruling ruler was Bahlol Lodi, who ruled for 38 years. Who defeated Humayun in the Battle of Chausa in 1539? Answer is option C, Sher Shah. Friends, the Battle of Chausa was a notable military engagement between the Mughal Emperor Humayun and the Afghan Sher Shah Suri. It was fought on 26 June 1539 at Chausa. Sher Khan defeated Humayun at Chausa and Kannauj 1540, forcing him to flee to Iran. In Iran, Humayun received help from the Safavid Shah. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Answer is option C, Lord Mountbatten. Friends, if you understand in detail, Lord Louis Mountbatten was the last British administrator of India. Most important provision passed under his administration was Indian Independence Act 1947. He remained Viceroy of India till 15 August 1947. After independence, he became first Governor General of India. After his departure from India, C. Rajagopalachari became the first Indian Governor General of India. Coins bearing 4-armed Vishnu were issued by. Answer is option B, Huviska. Against which Mughal emperor was a fatwa issued from Jaunpur? Answer is option D, Akbar. Friends, angered by Akbar's policy of religious tolerance, Mullah Yazdi of Jaunpur issued a fatwa against Akbar. According to this, Akbar was no longer a Muslim. When was the interim government formed under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer is option B, September 1946. Friends, on 2nd September 1946, the interim government of India was formed to oversee the transition of the country from a British colony to an independent republic. The interim government was formed as a provisional government between an imperial structure and a democratic structure. It lasted till 15th of August 1947, when India became independent and was partitioned into India and Pakistan. Jawaharlal Nehru became its vice president and served as the de facto prime minister. Blank was an important event in the Viceroy's era of Lord Dufferin. Answer is option A, establishment of Indian National Congress. Friends, the formation of the Indian National Congress did take place during the Viceroyalty of Lord Dufferin. Tenure of Lord Dufferin 1884 to 88. Indian National Congress was founded on 28 December 1885 by Allan Octavian Hume with the help of Viceroy Lord Dufferin. During Lord Dufferin's tenure, following things took place: Bengal Tenancy Act 1885, Third Burmese War and annexation of Burma 1885. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha? Answer is option A, Vallabhbhai Patel. Which of the following was a travel book written by Ibn Battuta in Arabic in the 14th century? Answer is option C, Rihla. Friends, Ibn Battuta full name Muhammad Ibn Battuta was a Moroccan traveler. He left his home at the young age of 21 back in the 13th century to travel across the world. During his 30 years of traveling exploration, he visited around 44 countries, including India. He had visited the court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq in the 14th century, who was the first Sultan of Delhi to impose haq-e-sarb or irrigation tax. Answer is option D, Firoz Tughlaq. Which was the largest Indian site of the Indus civilization? Answer is option B, Rakhi Garhi. Friends, if we understand in detail, Rakhi Garhi is located in Hisar, Haryana. The site was excavated by Amrendra Nath of Archaeological Survey of India. It is the site of pre-Indus Valley civilization settlement going back to about 6500 BC. Rakhi Garhi is situated on the banks of the Ghaggar River. Simuka was the founder of which dynasty? Answer is option A, Satavahan dynasty. In which year did Khudiram Bose try to assassinate Kingsford in Muzaffarpur? Answer is option C, 1908 AD. Friends, if you understand in detail, Khudiram Bose along with Prafulla Chaki tried to assassinate Kingsford in Muzaffarpur on the evening of 30th April 1908 AD. Khudiram Bose was one of the youngest revolutionaries of the Indian Revolutionary Movement for Independence. The day he was hanged, he was just 18 years old. Which revolutionary woman fired at the governor of Bengal during convocation of Calcutta University? Answer is option B, Beena Das. Friends, Beena Das was a student of St. John's Diocesan Girls Higher Secondary School, Calcutta. She was one of the most daring women revolutionaries of Bengal. She was associated with the revolutionary Jugantar Party. On 6th February 1932, when the governor of Bengal, Sir Stanley Jackson, was delivering his convocation address of the University of Calcutta, she fired him with a pistol but narrowly missed. In which year was Azad Hind Fauj formed? Answer is option D, August 1942. Friends, the Azad Hind Fauj was established to intensify the fight against the British. This army was founded not in India but in Japan. The Azad Hind Fauj was founded by Ras Bihari Bose in 1942 in Tokyo, Japan. Its purpose was to fight against the British during World War II. The translation of the book Anwar-e-Suhaili is? Answer is option B, Panchtantra. In the Earth's history, Homo sapiens originated in which epoch? Answer is option A, Pleistocene epoch. Who built the Kailash temple at Ellora? Answer is option C, Krishna first. Friends, if you understand in detail, Kailash Nath temple, also known as Kailash temple, is a famous temple located in Ellora, Maharashtra. Its construction is generally attributed to the 8th century Rashtrakuta king Krishna I. It is a Hindu temple in the Dravidian architectural style. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Modhera Sun temple is situated at? Answer is option B, Gujarat. Friends, you know the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. As per Archaeological Survey of India, Modhera Sun Temple was built in 1026-27 CE during the reign of Bhima I of the Chalukya dynasty. Which of the following college was established during the tenure of Lord Hastings in Calcutta? Answer is option D, Hindu College. Friends, Hindu College, presently known as Presidency University in Kolkata, was established in 1817 under the tenure of Lord Hastings. Lord Hastings was the patron of the college. Events during the time of Lord Hastings: Anglo-Nepal War and Treaty of Sugauli 1816. Third Maharashtra War, establishment of Rayatwadi system.